Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a share. I'm making a few more thank you cards because, you know, I'm still needing to thank my entrants from my last challenge giveaway. And so I'm using a Stamps of Life kit that I received, and this is the paper pad that I'm using. And if you know Stamps of Life, they have lots of dies that will actually cut out the images that are in the paper pad. And so this is the paper pad I used. Here's the different designs. And so you can see I've cut them out here. These are the dies that came with. And so I've used these dies to cut out squirrel. Is he a squirrel? Chip. Him. The flowers. And so I'm using them to make a few cards, like I said. And I made one card, and this is what I'm using these cutouts for. And it's just thank you cards, like I said. Cute and simple. So I just added the little guy with these flowers, added some leaves, and picked a few flowers to add, and then placed it on a A2 size card. And that's gonna be that. I appreciate all of you joining me on this journey. I appreciate all my subbies that have been with me, and for all you that are just stopping by for the first time, welcome. I am having a hidden giveaway here, so because you've stuck around for my video, I would like you to leave a comment below letting me know. So in order to be part of this giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and you must comment with the word squirrel down below. Oh, US only. Sorry. Just singular squirrel. No squirrels, just squirrel. Ah, I forgot. The winnings, what you will win will be this paper pad here, Best Day Collection. So you'll receive this paper pad, and you will receive these little wooden picnic basket veneers. Can you see those? Cute. And then these puffy stickers with the ants, the pie, and the watermelon. I will include these inspiration cards that I received, as well as the die and stamp set that work with the paper, which I believe, let's look at the cutouts. And here you go. So the basket will cut that out, the ants will be able to be cut out, and then the pie. There must be a watermelon too, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, maybe these watermelons fit this. Not sure, but this is what you'll win. So yeah, so good luck. I'll be closing the giveaway on the 15th of August, and we'll be announcing the winner on the 16th. So leave a comment below with the word squirrel in it, and that's what will enter you into my challenge. And then when I do pull the winner, I will verify if you are a subscriber of mine. So good luck again, and for more videos like these, click and subscribe. And until the next video, shakas!